p.m. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
Okay. How y'all doing, man?
Doing good, man. What's up, Kev?
What's going on, man?
Hadn't seen you since
It's
last year.
been a while. Yeah.
I had the 418s in at that time.
Yeah.
We got 2 Nightshade 15s now, B5s.
Oh yeah. That's all 8?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, we're wired to one of them right now.
Trying to play it safe. Playing it safe.
Yeah. I really want to put them on quarter, but
Oh yeah, you know we want to go all the way with
I
it.
really want to go quarter. We're gonna play some country today.
How you keeping the sunroof up there?
Dude, it's clicking like hell, but it's there.
It's there, yeah, that's how it go. I think it's kind of how you do it, just let it roll.
Sounds a lot better than the U18s.
Man, for
not as loud on the meter,
how
but
many
man.
did you have at first? Was it 4?
Yeah, I had 4
okay,
U18s with them 3 10-inch arrow ports.
You can put a lot more power to them though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I liked about. We had a set of Nightshade 18s. You can put so much power on them, you gotta worry about blowing them.
Yeah. I had 16K going to the 418s, and
still
I was blowing them every 2 shows.
I was blowing?
I was blowing the U's every other show, it seemed like, so.
Might as well go.
I went to Dreamsicles, and Dreamsicles did good for a while.
Yeah.
And I blew one at the Christmas parade, because we did 2 Christmas parades back to back.
Yeah.
And running long 2 hours straight to straight.
Straight through there.
Yeah, I mean, it blew one. I knew it was going to happen.
Yeah, but with that right there, you know, you could just do it. That's what I like. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it.
Well, these are my buddies. He actually blew a hole in his roof, and he was like, "Hey, I need somewhere to store them." I said, "We'll put them in the garage." He said, "No, just put them in your truck."
Yeah.
All right. You want to run some nice shades? All right.
So yeah, I put them on in there. Yeah.
He was running salt sticks on them, and he's like, "I want to see what they do on your 8."
Right. Just see what they do. Yeah.
And I mean, they gained about 3 dB versus the salt 6 so far, but
yeah,
I think I can get a little bit more out of them.
You wire them down a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I really want to wire them down to quarter ohm. I really think I'm gonna wire them quarter ohm.
But hey,
yeah, but it's a salt.
It's a salt, you know.
It's a salt. As long as I run it
with their rise, you'll be all right.
Yeah,
yeah, you
that's what I'm
be
thinking because it's rising like hell. I think I can run it to quarter ohm now.
Yeah, I think it'll be all right. Yeah, it's all.
I'm not getting but like 4,500 right now.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, they barely flex.
But the quarter ohm gonna do it with a little bit. You don't need much.
Yeah,
what you get?
I don't know. Triple Fest, I'll probably have them by then I'll probably have
Yeah,
some.
you going to Triple Fest?
Yeah, we're going
How
to
far are you from there?
We're actually like 45 minutes from Triple Fest. I'm in Middle Tennessee. I'm like low south.
Okay, I'm
right below Murfreesboro, Shelbyville.
Yeah, I'm in Jackson, Tennessee.
Okay.
Yeah, so we ain't that far from each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get together again, bro. Let me know where they can find you on social media.
The Cloudy Vapor and Hemp. I own that, and that's all my social media. So just find us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Cloudy Vapor and Hemp.
Okay, I'll be sure to tag them little good team, bro.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
do it again, man.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, you can get one right there. He's a good one.
Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right.
Caleb. Thanks again.